Hey everyone, myself is Navidas and today I will discuss RWL formula to learn English. First of all, I would like to say that there is no shortcut that we can attain to learn English. So we have to practice if we want to learn English. So I will discuss today RWL formula to learn English. So this is a short formula. If I will elaborate and discuss the formula in this group, so if we want to be learn English, we first apply RWL formula in our life, in our daily routine works, in our office, in our jobs, whatever we are doing right now. If we want to learn English, because it's not a too much difficult and it's not a too much easy, so we have to practice, we have to learn some new words, we have to learn grammars, we have to learn new ideas to learn English. So if we want to be learn English, I will discuss a formula, a short formula, a shortest way, because people are so much busy in the daily work, in the daily routine life, in jobs, in relatives, and whatever they are doing. A philosopher said that if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't run, then crawl. Whatever you do, you have to move from one place to another place, because life is the name for from moving one place to another place. There's no thing impossible. If we are saying impossible, impossible also saying I am possible. If the word impossible saying I am possible, then what's the impossible? So if you want to be learn English, if you want to be speak English, if you want to be introduce yourself, if you want to discover new things, so we have to do a big things, to do a great things in our daily life. So a short formula I will discuss here. You can introduce yourself, you can give your suggestion, you can ask your suggestion, ask your question in comment box. If you have any confusion regarding this, I can't learn English because I am not well confident, I can't learn English because I have little bit confidence, I can't English because I can't learn vocabulary. Oh my brothers, if I can't learn English because I am not so much confident, I am not so much skills, either it's related to skills, either it relate to confidence, either it relate to grammars, whatever you are saying. If you want to be say something in public, in class, in seminar, webinars, even whatever you do, then there are three things. First of all, if you have enough confidence to speak in public, you can speak. If you have not enough confidence to speak in public, how you can speak? First motivate yourself that you can do it. First say yourself you can do it. If you say yourself yes you can do it and you are the one and you can do it, then you can say I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. First learn to say thing I can do it, then learn English. If you can't say a single sentence to yourself I can do it, how if you are not saying I can do it, how you can learn English? If you are thinking it is impossible, either it's impossible, say me it's impossible. Oh, it's not impossible, it's your mentality. You are saying it's impossible. Impossible, I am possible. Impossible word is saying I am possible. Whatever you are doing right now, you are jobians, you are students, you are a businessman, you are whatever, you are a cricketer, you are a sportsman, you have to learn English and speak in every field of life. If your mother language is not English, if you have not so much skills in your daily life to learn English, if you have not grammar's rules, if you not learn grammar rules, not skills, how you can speak English, how you can say your friends, how you can say your families I can speak English, I can speak. First learn First of all, learn a single sentence to yourself. If you are saying to yourself, I can do it, I can do it, I can speak English, I can speak English, learn it to say. If you are saying I can do it, then you can do it. There is no impossible to there is in the way you are difficulties, in the way you are saying, in the way you are talking, in the way you are speaking, in the way you are speaking. There is no anything that have to talk with your friends. No difficulties, no fears, no depressions, no stress, no confusion. If you are saying I can do it, first if you are confused, if you have stress, some say I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. If you are saying yourself I can do it, then you can do it. If you are not saying yourself you can't do it, then you can do it. If you want to be say yourself I can do it, then you can do it. RWL formula. First of all, learn to write English. First of all, learn to write English. If you are writing, RWL, read English, write English, and then listen English. If you are listening proper English language, if you are speaking proper English language, if you are talking with friends, families, relatives, office, with boss or whatever you have to talk in your daily life, then you should to be talk in English language, because English is so much necessary in our daily routine works. Then we have to be learn English in every situation. Then we have to learn English in every situation, in every possibilities. So if you are saying you can't do it, leave it, give it up, give it up, by, oh my brother, not give it up, keep it up, keep it up. If you want to be learn English, because there is a huge gathering in this group to learn English. Either they are practicing, either they are sleeping in this group, either they have any practice to learn English with friends, either they are doing a single thing, either they are investing your time to learn English. If you are not investing your time to learn English, how you can say I can speak English? If you can't speak English, you are confused. If you are confused, you are a depressed person. If you can't speak English, because a person in depression say I can't do it, I can't do, because it's so difficulties, because I am confused, because I can't learn. Oh, how you can learn? How you can attain such points to keep it up, to keep it up, to keep it up? I can do it. Oh, first learn to say I can do it. So three formulas we can learn English in simply ways. First, take a page. Take a page. Then write something about yourself. I am Naveed Hassan. I am from Pakistan. I am graduate student. Write something about yourself. If you have to introduce yourself to your boss, then how you can introduce yourself? I am Naveed Hassan. I am student of graduate. First, you have some confusion, you are some stress to speak, then slow and steady you can easily speak. If you are saying I can, my name is Naveed Hassan, I am from Pakistan, I am graduate student, sir, I want to job in this industry because I have not got any job, so I want to be. If you are not saying such things, first of all learn to introduce yourself. First of all, learn to say yourself you can do it. If you are not getting such things in your life, so how you can discuss English, how you can learn English, how you can speak English, if you are not taking such suggestion in your life? I will take your comments after the session, and after few minutes, after discussing some points, how we can learn English language easily. So read English, read English, read English, read novels, read grammars, read books, novels, even grammars, whatever you have taste about English language, interest about. If you want to be digest, if you want to be learn digest, speak digest, read digest, then read digest in English language. Uh, Read, write, and listen. If you are listening motivation in English language, you have to spirit to do such things. You have to be speak loudly in public. You have to your confidence is furnished. If you are taking seminars in English language, if you are not taking a single improvement in your daily life, how you can build up a strong confidence? Oh my brothers, is it take time, it takes investment of your times, it takes your confidence. If you are saying oh no, I can't do it, then you can't do it. Read, write, and listen. This is the main formula. People are asking me how we can learn English, how we can learn. I am saying yes, yes, you can do it, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. If you are gathering here to learn English, yes, you can do it. There is no difficulties to learn English. If you are confused about yourself, then first of all, stand at the mirror. See, watch at the mirror, watch at the mirror, watch at the camera. If either, so I have take some points. If you are saying you stand at the mirror and say, mirror, I am Naveed Hassan. Say to mirror, I am Shafaqat. Say to mirror, I am Farhan. Say to mirror, I am Naveed Hassan. I want to learn English. I can speak English easily. I want to furnish a big. I can build our own empire. Say to yourself in the mirror, because the person standing in the mirror or can't discourage you, criticize you, can't say you can't do it. If you are saying yourself you can do it, then you can do it. If you are saying to the mirror, then simple. If you are saying to the camera, open your mobile camera, laptop camera, desktop camera, and say, oh my brother, how I can learn English, how can introduce, write your plan at page, how we can learn English. If you are have neither such opportunities, you have to be talk in English. You record your voice. Hello, I am Naveed Hassan. I am want to learn English. I am confident. I am confused. How can I learn English? Yeah, three important steps for record, voice record, talk to mirrors, talk to cameras. You want to speak in English everywhere. If you are not taking such things in your life, in your daily routine works, oh my brother, you can't speak English, you can't learn English. You have to be learn English because you are the one and you can do it. Other our fingerprints is not same. My name is Naveed Hassan, you are the Rahul, you are the Najam, you are the Farhan. You can do it. I am saying you can do it. First learn to say yourself, I can do it, I can speak English, I can learn everything, I can. First say yourself, I can build up an empire, I can speak English in seminars, in webinars, in whole entire. Because people are associated to me. Me are not associated to peoples. People have to learn from me. I have not learned from two people, because I have learned something to introduce to the peoples, to convey to the peoples, to say to the peoples. If you are speaking English, if you are practicing with yourself, because you are the best friend to yourself. I am not. You are the best friend of yourself. I am not. You are the best friend of yourself. I am the best friend of myself. If you are not best friend of to yourself, you are not taking any benefit to your friends, you are not taking any benefits to yourself. If you want to be say you are the best friend to yourself, then take two motivations, take to some steps to learn English. So read, write some, take some page and introduce and write your plans in your life. If you want to be establish a huge goal, if you if you want to become a cricketer, if you want to become a sportsman, if you want to be build up an empire, if you want to be a businessman, whatever you want to be do in your life, you have to be write on page in English language. It can be a very benefit to learn to your in English language because you are writing your plans. It's also motivating you to do your plans and to focus on your plan, to force your plans if you are writing on English page. If you are taking some steps, so right, what's the difficulties are in the way you are not doing it. If you are want to, if you have not any interest to learn English, then give it up. Why you are doing to, why are you are doing so? If you are doing so to learn English, speak English, then take some steps. Invest your time to yourself. I am not saying invest your time to myself. I am not saying invest your time to yourself to learn English, to speak English, to practice English. Give some time to friends because you are the best friend to yourself. No one is your best friend. You are the best friend if you are motivating yourself, if you are saying yourself, I can do it. Another, I am taking your comments. If you have any suggestion, you can give me because I am not too much expert. I am not saying I am perfect. I am not saying I am nothing. I am nothing. I am not perfect. I am not expert. But I have to do it. One day will reach. I can speak English in public, in seminars. One day will reach. I am waiting for that days and doing practice right now. If you are doing practice right now, then you one day will reach. You can speak easily in webinars, in seminars. I am nothing. I am not perfect. I am not expert. I am doing some little bit try struggle to attain some English language steps. So I am taking your comments. If you have any suggestion, any question, you can ask me in comments. I will answer to your comments. Joseph, please speak with me because I am very weak in this. Seth, you are saying yourself you are weak, so you are not actually weak. You are saying you yourself you are weak. If you are saying yourself I can't do it, I can't learn English, if you are saying such things you to yourself, you can't learn English, my brother. First learn to say yourself you can do it and you can learn English. And Saf, you can also learn English easily because there is no too much hard step to learn English. There very easily we can learn English. अच्छा, Najam Khan, reading, writing, learning your main. My brother, I am saying read novels, read books, read digest. If whatever you have, do you interest according to your interest, according to your taste, you have to learn some things. To you have to read something to learn English. I mean that write English. Write English. First, introduce yourself. I am Naveed Hassan. I want to achieve. I want to become a businessman in life. I want to be learn English. I want to be speak English. I want to be a big motivation speaker that people are learning from me. So write self. I mean that. So if you have any confusion, any question right now, you can ask. Acha Fiaz, thanks so much. Prichra, you are right, bro. Yes, thanks so much. Please come to your topic, dear. You have to forgotten that wanna disclose you about formula. Oh, Nazam Khan, I have already discussed my formula. You have to learn from it. Read English, my brother. Read English. First priority to read English. Read books, read novels, read newspaper. Whatever you are doing right now, write English. First, introduce yourself. Write your plan in your life. If you want to be achieve big in your life, then write on books. Write on page. I want to become a businessman. Say yourself. If you want to be do it, then write yourself. I have discussed 3 points, 3 steps, 3 formulas in this video. If you want to be learn from it, you can learn from it. If you want to be see something, you can ask question in comments. Yes, I am here. You can ask any question, bro. Your English speaking is not fluent. Why are you are here? Oh, Yes, I want to learn English, Rahul. I want to learn English because I can't speak English. I am not perfect. I am not saying I am perfect. I am to learn some steps. I am here to learn some things. I am not perfect. I am nothing. Leave it. Leave me. I am nothing. I take some steps to you how to learn English. Please give some steps to how to learn English. I am a student. I want to learn something from you. How to learn English. Nazim Khan, mashallah, are bro, you are a lot of skills, especially you are bold and boldness lead to your right high rank one day, inshallah. Thanks so much, Nazim Khan, for your great appreciation. Habiba, great attempt. Thanks so much. Muhammad Taslim, you are same authority, however, with a little knowledge. Thanks so much. I am saying same thing. I am not perfect because no one perfect. If anyone is saying I am perfect, then he and she would lie, would to be dead. If anyone saying I am perfect, but brother, there is no one perfect. I am, all are learning position. The man are in the learning position till death. There is no one perfect. Practice makes the man best, not perfect. No one perfect. If you are saying perfect, then you should to be died. So we are in the learning position till death. Qayyum Khan, bring up me up, please. Yes, you can do it, brother. You can do it. Say yourself, you can do it. Hello. Yes, sir. I am here. You can speak and you can ask any English sentence. You can any English related question. I am here. I will answer to you. One day you will. Yes, Mehak. I will do. You are saying yes, I can do it because I am saying myself I can do it. Mehak, you want to say I have not skills to speak English. Mehak, you are saying I have not so much confident about English. Mehak, I am saying to myself I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So this the thing I can do it. So I am saying I am giving some steps because I have learned from people, I have learned from teachers, I have learned from my boss, my sir, my relatives. So I am giving some points. I am first in the first sentence, in the first 5 minutes, I would like to say that, and I should say that I am not perfect. I am not perfect. I am not perfect, but I am trying to my best. Keep it up. Thanks so much. Mehak, one day will reach, you can do it. Yes, inshallah, one day will reach, I can do it. We can understand. Mehak, you can understand my language because my native language, my mother language is not English. I can speak Punjabi, can speak Urdu, can speak English. But whatever you have to do, interest, it's according to your interest, it's according to your mentality. You are fear someone. Are you forcing someone? I am not forcing. No one saying to you, you are doing. Why? If I am saying I am not perfect, I am a little guy. I am learn to some things from you. So if I make any mistake, guys, please forgive me, but don't forget me. If I made any mistake, please guys forgive me, but don't forget me, because if you are forget me, then how I can correct my English, then how I can correct my steps. So forgive me, don't forget me. Where are you from? Mehak Gul, I am from Pakistan. Stylish chef army. Yes, you can ask any question because I am at my laptop, so I can't add any person. You can ask any question in your comment section. Mehak, practice makes man perfect. Mehak, yes, practice makes the man perfect. If we have ego, that if we have saying I am perfect, how we can see you are a loser? If you want to have enough confidence, you always win. If you can see perfect, if you are traveling to the road and a car away and passed you, yeah, then you are dead. How you can say perfect? But if you are saying perfect, then If you are Mehak, you are saying perfect, then there is no improvement into you. So a philosopher said that practice makes the man perfect. I with the humble with the humble and little enough knowledge, I am disagree with this sentence. Practice makes the man perfect. It's not a right sentence. I am saying practice makes the man best. If anyone saying I am perfect, then there is no need of improvement. I am saying there is no need of improvement. If anyone saying I am perfect, there is no need to eat because he and she is perfect. There is no need of drink because they are perfect. There no need to sleep because they are perfect. There is no need to walk. There is no need to study. There is no need to do anything if you are perfect. So practice makes the man best, and when you are dead, then you are perfect. So I can't say practice makes the man perfect. Practice makes the man best, but we can say that practice leads towards the perfection. But a man can never be perfect. Mac, Mac is saying you are not confident. Yes, I am not confident because I have little bit knowledge. I am saying some things to you. How I am learning from all of you guys. I want to be learn something from all of you. So give me suggestion how to improve my English language, because you have I am not enough able to do taught something, to do some teach some things, to do introduce your something into you. So I want to learn some things from all of you guys. Give me some suggestion how we can build our confidence. Mehak, how we can build up confidence, how we can speak English. Give me some answer of that question. I am taking your commands. Mehak, you need to enhance your yes, of course, Mehak. I am not saying my grammar is perfect, my vocabulary is perfect, my voice is perfect, my no one is perfect. I am trying to do my best. Pervez Ahmed, good confidence. Thanks so much, my brother. Mehak, what confidence? Mehak, choose a one side. Say I am not confident and say I am confident. Choose one side. Yes, you are. Yes, I can. Stylish chef, please add me, brother. I can't add you because I am at my laptop screen, so there is no option to add another person. So if you have any questions, you can ask in comment box. I will discuss some points regarding to you. Yes, the man you can do it. Say yourself, learn to say yourself, you can do it. If you are not perfect, if you are not best, then give it up. How we can do it? How we can we not enough able to learn English? We have two eyes, two ears, hairs, two hands, two legs, two foot, everything we have, everything we have. Allah Almighty blessed us with so much blessing. If we are not saying such things, if we are not learning some things, how we can say we are human beings, we are in the learning position? If we are in the learning position, all we are in the learning position, I am not saying I am perfect. So if you have any suggestion to improve my English language, to improve my grammar, to improve my knowledge, so you can give me suggestion. If you have any question, I will answer to your question according to my experience. Thanks so much. Natalia, hello, nice to meet you. Thanks so much. महक, इसका मतलब है try again. Yes, of course I am saying the same things. Try again. Enough try, you will get it. If you want to be learn some new things, First of all, we should to be build up our confidence. If we have enough confidence to use to do some things, to do introduce some things, some negative responses will appear. Some negative responses will have to be seen. If you are saying there is no negative response to anybody, this is a totally wrong sentence. There is a criticism, there is a lot of negative thinking you have to be faced to your traveling to your destination. If you want to be traveling to your destination, you give it up, give the peoples, ignore the peoples, and take your own ways. You are the one, you are the one, and you can do it, and you have to do it in every situation, in every circumstances. There is nobody that criticizing you. If you are saying, if you are thinking the same thing that I have to think some years before, I am thinks the same thing. I think that people are very humans, they all are appreciate, no one criticize, but I am wrong. People came and criticize you, people came and discourage you, people came and demotivate you. Negative thinking, you will be responded. There is no necessity to give every question every answer. No, there is no necessity to give every answer to every question. Some question leave it up, give it up. So some question to have to keep it up. If there are some comments in section box, if I taking some 50, almost 50 comments in comment in section box, there is a one comment. If one comment I one comment appreciate me, then I will respond. But I never ignored the negative thinking, criticism, because I want to learn some things from peoples, from relatives, from students, from teachers, whatever you are doing right now. You are confident, Mehak. Thanks so much. I am confident. Have a good day. Thanks so much, Arvinda Bhai. Thanks so much. Nice to meet you. You are the Mehak Gul. I said you are confidence. Your voice is perfect. You are confidence. You are talking comments wrong. Comment wrongly. Oh, ठीक है. Arvinda Bhai. Focus on grammar, please. Thanks so much, Arvinda Bhai. I will focus on my grammar because I am not saying I am perfect. Mehak, thanks so much for appreciating. I will do it. Mehak, grammar does matter in spoken. Doesn't matter in spoken. Of course, I can't say grammar doesn't matter. Your confidence doesn't matter. Your vocabulary doesn't matter. Your sentence is doesn't matter. All the thing matter in your to speak English. All the thing matters. There is no thing is useless. There is no people useless in our planet. So all the people have some importance. All the things have some importance. Whether is grammars, whether vocabulary, whether sentence, everything have him. Shazul, yes, I am here. You can ask any question. Mehak Gul, Babar Azam is not playing good today. So pray for him. He will be play good. ट्रांसलेट इट प्लीज़. बाबर आजम आज कुछ क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा. बाबर इज़ नॉट प्लेइंग गुड. यस, ट्रांसलेट इट प्लीज़. Stylish Saif, I am not saying Babar is not playing good today. So we can pray for him to play good and to do some things for Pakistan country. Babar is a star of Pakistan country. So Stylish Saif, or you have the same comments. Focus on grammar. Yes, I have to focus on my grammar. In spoke grammar doesn't matter. Mehak, you are saying the same thing. I can't recognize the same thing. If you are saying the grammar doesn't matter, say, think. First of all, think. Either all humans have importance, all we have importance. Learn to speak. Learn from things from इकबाल. दे नहीं है कोई चीज़ नकम्मी ज़माने में, नहीं है कोई चीज़ नकम्मी ज़माने में है, कोई बुरा नहीं है कुदरत के कारखाने में. All are the All our peoples have some importance. All the things have some importance. Whatever. If you have mobile phone, if you have mobile phone, if you have doesn't have charger, if you have mobile phone and not having charger, how you can say recognize charging, forget charge? Oh, there's no importance of charge. How long time you have to be to your battery and to do introduce some things with your mobile phone? So one time will became you have to some things learn from some things to your mobile phone, your charge, everything have your laptop have importance, your mobile phone have importance, your chargers have importance, your laptop chargers have importance, your iPhone, iPad, everything have importance. We can't recognize anything, we can't ignore anything, we can't ignore any person because every person have importance. I don't understand what you talking, kindly please speak English slowly so that we can got your point of view about grammar. Gabriel, I want to say three main things to learn English. I am speaking slowly. I want to say three main things to learn English. I have a simple formula to learn English. First, learn English. To have to read English, write English, and listen English. Three are the main steps to learn English. If you want to be learn English, then please you have to do some things. I can't I want to inshallah I will try my best to speak slowly. You want to be learn English by three doing steps. If anyone have got my points, then this please share with her. Maria, thanks so much. Mac, listen, you said you know Urdu, Punjabi, you know grammar of this language. Of course. Yes, you want to be say I doesn't know the grammar of Urdu language. I doesn't know the grammar of Punjabi language. If I am saying I am doesn't know the grammar of English language, because we are not taking some points. If you we kafiya, radif, file, fail, mafool. If we have same thing, file, fail, mafool, this is a grammar of Urdu language. If we are not discussing, so we are educated, we have to learn. If we our native language is Urdu, we are the automatically we got some grammars from our parents, from our mother, from our sisters, from our brothers, whatever have to teach us. So we all take some points from our parents. You know, yes, I have already discussed. I am very good in grammar as well as in English. Yes, Mehak, it's listen to very good. You are so much at home at your grammar. It's too good. It's time to you me. Not slowly but fast. I like. Oh, thanks so much. Because I can't change my language because I have learned to English in a speedy mode, in a fastly mode. Say everything to people. Say everything to people. Say everything to your parents. Say I can't do it. Yeah, yeah. Say I can do it. If you want to do, say yeah, yes, I can do it. The people criticize the people, ignored the people, are demotivating. Doesn't matter, my brother, it doesn't matter how many people are demoting you. Peoples are always demotivate you. Some peoples वो आपके मोहसन होते हैं जो आपको कहें यू कैन डू इट. जो आप लोग आपको कहें कि आप ये कर सकते हैं वो आपके मोहसन होते हैं. द पीपल्स आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. आई वांट टू से दे सी ऑलवेज टू अदर पीपल यू कैन डू इट. सो वी कैन डू इट. Any person can do it. Stylish can, Saf can do it, Mac can do it. Every person can do it. Person can learn English in every situation. So if I made any mistake, so forgive me. If guys, if I made any mistake, please forgive me, but don't forget me. If I make any mistake, forgive me, but don't forget me, because if you have forget, I can't correct my words, correct my sentence. So you have to talk, you have to comment, to do give some suggestion how I can correct. So if I made any mistake, forgive me, but don't forget me. Yes, you also need to improve a lot, of brother. Yes, Jatan, I also same the same thing. I also saying the same thing. I have to need so much improvement to learn English. Yes, I am saying the same thing. uh, Mehak, yes, it's very funny. Oh yes, if you have any suggestion, you can give me in comment box. I will learn from your suggestion. If I make any mistake, forgive me. If I make any mistake, forgive me, but don't forget me. Thanks so much everyone to join this session. So I have learned so many things from all of you guys. I have so many things. I have discussed my points of view, because every person have a right to criticize other. Every person have right to criticize other. So I am not saying I am not perfect. I am not perfect. I am not perfect. I am to need to furnish, need to learn something, need to learn grammars. So if you have suggestion, can discuss me. If I have miss any mistake, if I have make any mistake, forgive me. Thanks so much everyone for joining my session. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any suggestion, you can tell me how can I change my English. Speak slowly, clearly, and deliberately. Yes, I can do it. Inshallah, and next time I will do it. You didn't get my point. You are speaking English language with grammatically errors. There is a lot of sentence that you must to check again. Check your grammar, please. Yes, Gabran, I am saying the same thing. I am not perfect. I want to learn some English language. I want to learn some points from all of you how we can learn English, because I am not saying I am an Englishman and I can do anything. I can speak English fluently. I have no grammar mistake. So no, I am not. I have to learn some things from all of you guys. I am from India. Yes, I am from Pakistan. Nice to meet you. You started from to XYZ. Yes, I have started from XYZ, because I would like to say I will start from ABC and until reach at XYZ, because one day will reach I can speak English without any errors. So guys, forgive me if I make any mistake. Thanks so much all of you guys. Thanks so much. Thanks so much love from me. And if I make any mistake, please forgive me, but don't forget me. Thanks so much all of you. Session, join the session. Thanks so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.